Today we're at another Okajuku and we're at Nikko Circuit. This is my favorite track here in Japan. I also have a visitor with me. You might know him. I think he's a big deal, I'm not sure though. Anyways, we're at Nikko Circuit. We're gonna do some tandems today, practice. I'm really excited to learn some technique from Adam, as well as, yeah man, you're like, Okachan's warming up Adam's car right now. This is the first time he's ever driven or drifted an S15 as well. So it's gonna be very interesting. Anyways, there's a lot going on, so let's just jump into it. How was your first drive?
Dude, so good. Literally first go, dude.
Yeah, so
Helped
good.
so much watching him.
Yeah. It wouldn't be a normal day at the track without an SR popping a rocker arm, because Okachan's got these special tools that you can use without taking the cam out to hold the valves down so that you can slip a new one in. So that's what they're doing now. But it's just so funny, typical SR stuff. Shiono-san's doing really well now that her engine's all, she just rebuilt a whole new engine and put in that because she blew up the other one. Can't wait to tandem with this guy again. Oh man, it's gonna be a rad day. Adam was doing so well in the S15. Super excited. So Okachan's driving my car and that's Adam LZ. Yeah! Yeah! Come on! Adam LZ on my door! Woo! Alright, so I'm going to chase Adam for a fair bit. I'm going to see how we go. Okay, so overall, today is going amazing. And what I wanted to quickly talk about was actually my seat and harness. Now, this is the first time I've driven with this seat at the circuit and it feels amazing. And I am just so surprised at how much having this has changed my driving style. So being more connected to the chassis and everything, I can feel what the car's doing way more. And in fact, I've now realized that a lot of the steering input I was putting in was way too much. And now I put in way less and I'm able to control the car a lot more. So just being able to connect to the chassis, like actually sturdy and not flopping around like I normally would, has really helped me out. And if there's one thing that I can definitely recommend is, guys, get a seat and a harness way before you do any other upgrades, because I think that's really important. Diff, decent wheels and stuff that suit the type of car that you have, and then seat and harness is super important, and then you can muck around with other things later on. But yeah, just huge difference it made. So if you're building a drift car, start with a diff and a seat first. I'm not sure if I've shown this on the channel yet, but this is Serena's 180. As you can see, she's gotten everything painted and it looks awesome. I love this yellow. I think this is the yellow that was used on the Toyota Yaris, so looks really good on the 180. She's a bit busy right now replacing a bolt on the back of her turbo outlet. As you know, those like to get loose on the SR. ニック。
おお、いい感じいい感じ。
いい感じ。
オッケーオッケー。
ありがとう。
もっと最初近づく。もっと最初近づく。
はい。
グリップで。
はい。So that was so much fun, and I'm so excited and happy about just how well I'm doing with the tandem practice today. That is the closest I've ever been to another driver, and it cracks me up because it's with Adam LZ driving. Who would have thought I just needed him here to motivate me to get that close? But anyways, Okachan's been like obviously sitting in the passenger seat with me. You would have seen some footage of him holding the camera, giving me pointers. And then he jumped on the sideline and filmed with his phone, so hopefully I'll have that footage to throw in as well. But I'm just over the moon because I'm progressing so much, and it's really good having Adam here as well because I'm kind of learning some technique off him as well. Anyways, back to driving. Okay, so this session, Adam's mission is to put tire marks on my door. So that's what we're doing. We got a tire mark, I felt that one, that was good. So Adam's taking my car for a drive now, should be pretty interesting. Got this. Feels really good. Yeah. It's so quiet. Yeah, dude, I didn't expect to feel so at home. It feels really good. That's good, dude. It feels better than my our chassis. Oh, really? Yeah. That's actually great. It feels like weird. I don't think I have the angle kit set up right. Yours just feels very planted and like consistent. Thanks, man. Like, I did not expect to be able to just jump in and like link the track. I thought it'd be spinning out. You must have some sort of angle, no? No, completely stock angle. Just 17s stock? On the front. Oh, the engine's not stock, but the angle is stock, yeah. It feels sick. I haven't done anything to it. So our water temps and oil temps are all good? Yeah, man. This thing never goes above 90. I've got it set up so good. That's sick. Alright, so we're kind of wrapping up for the day. We're finished at the track, everything's packed in the car, and then we're going to be probably going to an up garage close by, getting some gas, hanging out, getting some dinner, and then yeah, we'll probably head home and end the vlog there. But anyways, just driving today was so much fun. I really feel like I've improved a whole lot, and I'm sure you guys can tell from the footage as well that that's what's been going on. So I'm super proud of myself. And I kind of hope you guys are too, if that's kind of a little bit of a weird meme or not, I don't know. Anyways, let's get to it. So unfortunately this up garage was a bust. I forgot it's Wednesday, which is National Up Garage Closing Day.
Subscribe.
Thanks, Adam. We're just gonna go get dinner now, and then I'm gonna head home.
Where are we going?
This is tonight's dinner. Adam got the same thing, just a little bit more larger size. He likes his meat, apparently. Anyways, we're gonna chow down on this, and then I'm gonna head. All right, so it's the next day, and right now I'm having what I like to call drift event hangover, post-event hangover, I guess. And it's literally just because I had such an amazing day yesterday. I exerted myself way too much, and I'm just completely drained today. It feels a lot like a hangover. So yeah, post-drift event hangover it is. Anyways, yesterday was just one of the top best like things that has ever happened to me, like days of my life. And it's not just because I got to, you know, hang out with Adam and drift with him, although that is a very big part of it. I think the most important thing about it was that I made Okachan proud. And like, in all honesty, like it kind of reminded me back when I was like a little boy and how great it felt when like I came home from school with like an award or something like that. And I showed it to my dad and he was like, you know, proud at me. And I don't know if that's like, you know, something you guys can relate to, but for me, that was super important for me. Like Okachan's really taking me under his wing here in Japan, and like the way I look up to him, he's literally treats me like he's my he's my granddad and I'm his grandson. It's a ridiculous relationship that I did not ask for whatsoever, but I'm so grateful for, and I probably can't live without it now. But yeah, I'm just really proud of myself because all the work, the hard work, all the effort, all the money, everything all is starting to really show some results, and it's always shown results. But yesterday it showed, like, it really made me realize that I can definitely do this, because up until, you know, probably yesterday, literally, I was kind of like, you know, am I going to be able to, you know, get good enough to want to compete at D1 and stuff like that? And I think yesterday was just a really big, like, yeah, I can totally do this. If I get focused, if I stay calm and collective, I don't get frustrated behind the wheel, we can do this. So I'm really excited. And just quickly touching on, obviously Adam was there. It was so awesome getting to know him yesterday. I would have to say that, like, out of all expectations, completely blew me out of the water. He is the nicest guy in person, and we really got along great, and I'm super excited for the future and whatever that might bring. We'll definitely have to do some more stuff together, because that was a lot of fun, and he really pushed me to my limits, and that was also part of why I was able to do so well yesterday. So anyways, I've been ranting on for a while, but I really wanted to share my heart with you guys about this. I know that's kind of a little bit like and a bit interesting for YouTube, but I'm just being honest with you, and I wanted to share that with you, so I hope you don't mind. Anyways, guys, once again, had an amazing day. Thank you so much, Adam. If for some reason you aren't subscribed to him and you're subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe to him. His channel link is down in the description. Guys, I cannot say thank you enough to you. I couldn't be doing this without all of your support and you guys watching the video. So smash the like button, show your support with a comment, and check out all my social media down in the description. I will see you all in the next video. I'm getting ready right now to pack to head to Drift Mitsuri. So it's going to be a blast. Fingers crossed we don't bin it again. Anyways, guys, enough talking. I promise this time, enough talking. Catch you on the next videos, guys. Ciao, mata ne.